Hello, this is the multi-axis 3D printer Capstone design team. This project started in the fall of 2021, where they assembled the printer to its close to current form, build-wise. However, their prints were not efficient. In the spring of 2022, they improved efficiency as well as control systems. We can see a previous bracket design where the assembly is too heavy and is causing deformation. As well as our control systems need to be modified and made simpler for less human interaction and use. We have a couple different parts that we have designed, however, they are updated. The previous control system was very arbitrary and did not work cohesively. By using an Arduino and a G-code shifting algorithm, we have vastly improved efficiency of the slicing software usage and control of the two printers. With this, we are lowering human interruptions to the printing process and boosting the efficiency of the printing process.